If you have lower back pain or tension, this is a great sequence to do before you get started with your day. Hello viewers, Namaste, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Sajo. Today, I am going to take you through a 5-minute morning yoga practice that is really soothing for your lower back. We will start with sitting in Vajrasana. Then lift your hips, take distance in your feet. We'll go in extended puppy pose. Exhaling, stretch your hands forward and touch your forehead on the floor. Stretch your body maximum forward. You can also touch your hips to your heels. Then again lift your hips and stretch your body forward. Then lift your chest a little. Stretch your left hand towards the right side, twisting totally towards the right side. Keep your breathing normal. Then inhale and slowly come back in extended puppy pose. While exhaling, again lift your chest and bring your right hand towards the left side, stretching and twisting towards the left side. You can feel the stretch on your lower back. Then coming back in extended puppy pose, we'll come in tabletop position. Here we will do cat and cow pose. Inhale, stretch your neck up and lower down your back. Exhale, try to touch your chin to the chest and lift your stomach and back upwards. Continue this process. Inhale, neck up, waist down. Exhale, neck inward, stomach maximum upwards. You will feel a great relaxation in your lower back while practicing this. This is one of the most important asanas which will help you in curing your lower back pain. Coming back in sitting position, we'll do here Padmasana and some side stretches. Touch your right knee with your left hand. Take your left hand maximum backwards and stretch from the left side maximum backwards, twisting your back, your neck totally towards the back side. Inhale and come back. Exhale and repeat the same from the right side. As you stretch, your muscles are going to get released and relaxed. Inhale and come back. Exhale and touch your left hand on the floor. Inhale, bring your right hand upwards and stretch towards the left side. Exhale, come back. Inhale and while exhaling, slowly stretch your right hand towards the right side. Exhale and bring your left hand towards the right side and stretch. Slowly bring your hand down. Inhale and come straight. Now lying down on your back. Inhale and lift your legs at 90 degrees. Bend your knees. Take your thighs on your stomach. Hold your knees with your hands. And now we will swing left and right, relaxing our lower back. Your neck should be on the floor. Just swing from right to left, relaxing the tension on your lower back. Now we will move our legs in a circular motion. Start from the left side. Continue this process for 3 times from the left side. Then change the direction and continue this process from the right side. Continue this process for 3 times. Now you will start feeling that your lower back is releasing the tension and there is no pain in your lower back. Bringing your legs down. Now bend your legs from your knees and touch your feet on the floor. Inhale and slowly bring your hands in the shoulder level. Join your legs. Exhale and try to touch your knees on the right side and turn your neck towards the left side. Totally stretch towards the right side. Inhale and slowly bring your legs back. Exhale and now bend your knees towards the left side, stretching your neck towards the right side. Inhale and slowly bring your legs back. Exhale and now slowly bring your hands close to your body and slowly straighten your legs and come back in sitting position. Here we will end the session with chanting Omkar. Inhale. So viewers, we'll meet in my next video with a new solution. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.